at the school, but we cannot provide down. We have another village before you come to the school.
Yes.
We have another
Yeah,
house
I've seen that
down
one.
there.
Yes,
So
yes.
when we open the water. Down
Okay.
they don't use the, so maybe it's not enough. Not enough.
Pag may kumain sa small example, you will explain.
Mm.
Okay, what up, we will stop now, yeah? And what I come losos, sometime ikatol join the place, yeah. Okay. Suppose me want them the area, yeah, by having 3 water. So we must come block of place, yeah, we come block of place, yeah, block water you go. From precise low, small. Finish, and then we come block them, block. Even Monarawan, 3 water.
Mas block kayo to
Yes.
sa yan.
Mas block kami miya. When we now walk long every day plus time again.
I-block kami sa yan.
You block them all train. Well, we have the trains here. So the water source is here. So when a village, we have a village here, here, and here. So when it gives, because it's the pump, so when he wants the water to go to this village, he has to block the train.
Okay.
Block the joint from
Trains
here and
here,
here.
So
and
provide
the
water.
one village at a time.
Yeah,
One village,
yeah.
other then
Yeah.
change other village, then change
Yes.
other village. Yeah. So this is pumped from the source. So the
Yes.
source is low, and you pump up to high.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's solar pump.
From suppose me let them everyone. Pamba
Yeah, water na sa verano mo. Fresh ay na.
it will express ini wala ikat pula pa sos bitaw. I mean it lo suppose we
Yeah. We have many sources here, but it's down the creek.
Yeah,
so
yeah. Of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Always a problem.
Yeah.
So at this point, is there a tank? Is there a tank here?
Thank you.
That's tank.
That's
is
this
the
tank.
he's
This tank.
talking about, yeah.
Okay. This is here. Okay.